Large format installation guide. Number 1. Make sure the surface is completely level. The new large format tiles require a much more level surface than for tiles that were considered large format in the past. The new specification for flatness is no more than 3 mm change in 3 meters. So make sure you flatten the floor by filling low spots and removing high spots. Point 2. Invest in the right adhesive and support. Use a tile adhesive made for porcelain tiles, as these high strength adhesives allow you to build up to a 2 cm adhesive under the tile in order to support it, and can handle the increased weight of large format tiles. Large 22 mm notch trowels are best for the job because they allow you to build up adhesive much more quickly. They make back buttering easier and they help you deal with variations in substrates. Point 3. Mind the gap. A grout gap of between 3 and 5 mm will provide the best look and fit. These measurements will give you the closest fit you're after while making sure you don't have any problems with installation. Remember to use a grout that matches your tile color if you want that near seamless look that large format tiles are so good at. Point 4. Use the purpose-made equipment. Purpose-made equipment like leveling systems will give you a professional finish. Point 5. Give large tiles a lift. Invest in a set of suction cups as to make lifting the extra weight and wider proportion of large format tiles much easier. Not only will you save your tiles from accidents, you'll save your back from the strain, and what's more, they allow you to place tiles more precisely. The Megatech range can recreate near seamless stone, wood, and screed floors with superfine accuracy. With a little planning and preparation and these insider tips, you'll be able to create the look you're after.